Hi friends, today we'll show you 7 quick ways to make money with AI. Yes, you heard that right, 7 ways. And you know what the amazing part is? All of these ways are easy, fun, and accessible to everyone. Are you ready? Let's get started. Friends, our first way is trading with AI. Have you heard about how robots are managing stocks now? Yes, you heard right. AI algorithms can analyze markets, identify trends, and make the most profitable trading decisions for you. And the best part, you don't need to be a financial expert for this. Many platforms allow easy access to AI trading bots. So sit back, relax, and let the robots make money for you. Our next way is content creation. Have you ever wanted to write a blog post, an article, or even a book but didn't know where to start? AI is your savior. AI content generators can help you create engaging and original content on any topic. Just enter a few keywords and let the AI do the rest. This is a great way to save time and step up your content game. Our third way is customer service. If you have a business, you know the importance of customer satisfaction. But it can be hard to always be available to answer customer questions. This is where AI chatbots come in. These smart bots can answer questions, solve problems, and keep your customers happy 24/7. This is a great way to automate customer service and let your team focus on more important tasks. Our fourth way is data analysis. In today's digital age, data is the new oil. But extracting meaningful insights from this data can be difficult. AI algorithms can be trained to analyze large datasets, identify trends, and uncover valuable insights. These insights can be used to make better business decisions, optimize your products and services, and even create new opportunities. Our fifth way is education. AI has the potential to revolutionize the education and training industry. AI can be used to create powerful learning platforms, personalized learning experiences, and even virtual tutors. Imagine being able to learn at your own pace, focus on your weaknesses, and receive feedback tailored to your individual needs. With AI, this is no longer a dream, but a reality. Our sixth way is automation. Have you ever felt like you're spending hours doing repetitive and boring work? AI can be used to automate these kinds of tasks and free up your time and energy for more important things. From data entry to customer support, the possibilities of AI automation are endless. So, say goodbye to boring tasks and let AI do the heavy lifting for you. And finally, our seventh way is game development. If you love playing games, this one's for you. AI can be used to create games that are more realistic, engaging, and will keep you entertained for hours. AI can be used to control the behavior of game characters, generate game worlds, and even provide personalized gaming experiences for players. So get creative, use your imagination, and create the next hit game with the help of AI. That's all, folks. I hope these ways will help you make money with AI. As you can see, AI opens up a world of incredible opportunities and is accessible to everyone. So what are you waiting for? Start your AI journey today and unlock your potential. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. See you later.